Yeah. There's a place in your heart that I know that it is love. In this place, but much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you find there's no need to cry. In this place, you feel there's no heart or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space, make a better place. Yeah.
Make it a better place.
Oh yeah.
For you and for me.
For you and for me. There are people dying now.
If you care enough
for the living now.
make a better place for you and for me.
And the dream you were conceiving will reveal a joyful face. And the world we once believing will shine again in grace. So why do we keep struggling life with a war crucified soul? Though it's plain to see the words in heaven